In the meantime, Prime Minister Dr. Andrew Holness says consultations continue for the introduction of the One Road Authority aimed at improving the management of Jamaica's road network. The National Works Agency is responsible for about 800 main roads. Many of them are not being adequately maintained. Additionally, those that are being maintained may not be up to standard. He says as the government embarks on the $25 billion Spark Main Road program, they'll have the single authority to streamline the country's road data.
To road construction, to return standards to road maintenance, to ensure there is a budget for road maintenance that matches the economic and engineering life of the road, so that there can also be a preventative maintenance program. But more importantly, that there is a regulator and someone who will supervise road construction, road maintenance, and preventative work. And in addition to that, an authority that has the legal powers to prosecute road users who destroy the national public assets in our roads.